Hey guys, welcome to Techtilltoe. Today we'll see how to install Miui 10 camera app in 9.5 stable version. Go in File Manager, extract the Miui 10 zip file, open the Miui 10 APK, install it. To download the zip file, link is provided in description. After installation, open the camera app and you will see a huge change. Some shortcuts have been added: square, photo, panorama, manual, and various animations have been changed. For turning on off flash, HDR mode, and various filters have been added. Beautify mode is a huge change added to a rear camera, and camera setting seems same. This is how you can install Miui 10 app, camera app. And to uninstall it, long press and recent menu, uninstall updates, simply done. You will be back or degraded to 9.5 version of camera. Thank you for watching.